Right? It's fine.
We are ready to go.
Oh.
Bags are ready.
You got back pain? Lower back pain, so I've been doing like dead man hangs and some like lower back stretches lately. I am arguing. Oh, these are your thing screws.
Okay, this adventure is one for the books. I had to document it for the homies because of how good of a time it was. Dear. Life felt like it was truly lived today, you know? It all started when I wanted to do another stealth camp in the dawn. That was a stupid ass decision, because today we had 15 centimeters of wet snow in 90% humidity. I'm pretty glad I decided to go home and make this video instead of rotting in a sleeping bag for 16 hours. So this is how it went down. Me and Coach Dave hiked from my house into the woods.
Papa.
Man, life is good out here. Hikers.
Yeah.
The boys have unlocked Karakura Town. My hands were still warm at this point, so I was recording a lot. We then met up with Ewan, Kaylin, and Eric, somewhere around here. And we continued our trek west.
It looks like, oh, cheese.
Oh, I'm thinking of video.
Cheese whiz.
Homeless style, school backpack, duffel bag.
Thank you, Ben.
If you actually have two bags, you can kind of balance yourself out that
Yeah,
way
it would
too.
be like a Kenyan woman getting water from the stream.
I was gonna say move on, but
Don't keep that in, please.
Oh.
I mean, you were just stating a
I love
fact.
my international friends.
International relationships are important.
It's true. That's how we make beautiful babies.
Yes. We all become one color.
Yeah. Slightly big dicks and slightly frizzy hair.
Yeah.
I wonder if they'll ever cross over. This doesn't seem right to me. This doesn't.
I'm here for you. Here.
Oh shit! Oh man, what do I do?
There you go. Nice. You pressed 8 for a jump. Good
I
job.
did the jump.
got the goggles on.
I got the goggles. This sauce is really what sells it.
Okay, so number of improvements. I'm gonna bring an extra tarp.
Yep.
So one for overhead and another one just to block out the wind in a certain direction.
And we're gonna do this in 6 months.
I mean, I probably might do this in a month.
Three. Okay. All right. 3.
One day.
What's January 10th?
January.
March, April.
I'm gonna refer to us like that. What's January times 3?
David, how would you rate this experience out of 10?
Oh man, you know, it's 5 out of 10.
Yeah.
Oh, we got exercise.
5 out of 10, man, for sure. We didn't eat anything really.
Yeah.
It's okay, you know, the point is that we tried. So it's a pass.
Thank you.
A marginal pass.
Thank you.
Outlier? Got it.
You're Philippines. No, you guys have a different skill set. You know, singing, cooking,
dancing, kinda.
celebrating Christmas for 6 months of the year.
Nursing.
Yeah, nursing. Yeah.
This is a bus, but I love my friends.
expats. Yeah, what's in the Chon, man?
Oh,
Bro, no, oh man, the amount of blood pressure that goes up after eating lechon is amazing.
Oh, I believe it. It's
yeah.
so oily, but it's so good.
It is, and then
For a number of reasons, our cookout failed, so we hiked back. Not the end of the world. We did have some communal sausage and communal stew, both of which I forgot to document. It was just sausage and stew that we all ate out of one pot. Wasn't bad, actually. I was just feeling out of my body at this point, and laughing like an idiot. This guys being dudes, you know?
Yeah, you gotta put this on the...
Wahoo!
man, the camaraderie is beautiful. Hey guys, winter is fake. What? Winter is fake.
Winter is fake, it's not real!
so also this is the zombie apocalypse. It's slightly fucking low on morale. Yeah.
No, look.
Oh, I just noticed that the ears are curved out too.
It's even got toes.
Climbed up some long ass stairs and went to get some tacos. Thus concludes our adventure, and the message is go in the woods and play with your friends. It's the best. Savor life. Blah blah blah. Blah 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 blah.